progress.
Good morning, student. May I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we will start with our fourth unit, that is Python standard library modules and the packages. Okay. So in that we are seeing the first point, that is a regular expression operation. So what is regular expression? Regular expression is means what? A sequence of characters. Means what? Like we have to consider A is equal to A plus B. It will be the one of the regular expression. Okay. So the module we are using the RE. You have to see here that RE module for the defining the regular expression. Okay. So the regular module through an exception if there is a some error while using the regular expression. If suppose we are using A is equal to A plus B, that time suppose we are not importing RE module, means RE module, so that time we got a error. Okay. So for that we are declaring RE module. So how to import this module, I will tell you that. Just simply you have to write import RE. Okay. Just simply if this line will be successfully executed, your RE module is already installed. Okay. So we will see the different functions that we are using in the regular expression. We have a lots of operation, that is you have to see here match operation, search operation, find all operations, split, sub. These five are the some of the regular expression examples. So we will see here the program. Okay. So okay, my screen is programming screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here you have to see here, first of all I will execute the import RE module. Means what? RE is a regular operation model, regular operation problem. Okay. So you have to see here after successful execution of RE module, we have to see the different operations in that. That is find all. Means what? Suppose we want to find all the elements, the that element present in our that pattern. Means what? You have to see the find all operation return a list that contain all the matches of pattern in the same string. Means what? Suppose in our string this consider the in our string a and the operations, the words are present. So the find all operation will be find that how many times the operation will be repeat. Means in string we are providing some of the operations, like you have to see here the example. In this example I write in string how are you and how is everything. Okay. So here I will write one line, that is matches equal to re dot find all. Means what? I want to find the hello, how much time hello pattern will be there in our program. Okay. And just simply print the match. After execution you have to see here, it will be print how two time. Why? Because in our string how will be present two time. Okay. Suppose one more time I will write here and I will execute. Still it will be print 2. Why? Because here h will be a small. So that's why find all means what? It will be a return the all same patterns. Okay. So here if I will write this h as a capital, then you have to say it will be return the three house. Okay. So you have to perform this operation find all. Okay. All of you perform the operation find all. You have to take a other string and you have to perform. Any doubt is there, then ask. इकडे बस. Okay, so any doubt regarding this operation, that is find all? All of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will see the next operation, that is match operation. Okay, so this method match the regular pattern in the string with the optional flag. Okay, it returns true if the match is found, and then the string, otherwise it returns false. Means what? Suppose the find pattern will be present in our string, that time it will be written that true value, and if my pattern will be not present in my string, it will be written false. Okay, so you have to see here the results. In this program, I will write how same string are there. I just do the match operation. We are having for match, you have to say match equal to re dot search. Means what? I will just 1 minute. So here match object for match, we are finding the search operation. Why? Because we want to search the match. So for search, I will write the word, that is how word and string, and here I will print the type of that match word. Means what? It will be a string or what? It is a regular expression. Okay, then I will print the match. You have to see here the results. Results will be a like a match. How many times? You have to see here. My match word will be a 3 times. You have sorry, 2 times. It will be written the locations, that is a span, object, and how. Match will be there. Here you have to see for matches we are having 3 different type, that is group, string, and span. Okay, so you have to see here. First it will be written the span. Means what? It will be having a 0 to 3th location. Means HOW is having actually 3 words, but it will be start with 0 and end with the 3rd location. Okay, then word group means what? My word is how, so it will be considered as a one of the group, and here at last I will display overall string. Okay, it will be having the 3 different operations. Span means what? Start with 0th location and end with the 3rd location. Okay, and then match will be group means what? Our whole string. And suppose here I will write the span, known type attribute span. Okay, so it will be the other operation, that is a match operation. Okay, so we are in before this example I am finding the type of that match. You have to see here re dot match. Why? Because it will be the one of the type of the regular expression. For regular expression, we are using the RE. Okay. So all of you perform this operation, match object operation.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt is there with the match operation?
No, ma'am.
So we will see with next. So same we have to remaining all operation is for your homework. Just you have to rename it like you have to see here like dot search operation. That like you have to find like a split and sub operation. Okay, these two operation you have to perform by your own. Okay, same it operation will be a same. Okay, you have to just like here at the point of search you have to write the split and you have to write the sub operation. Okay, this is these 2 points for your homework. Okay, so next is a formal forming a regular expression. Means what we are having here like suppose we have to find that a specific character meta characters for our alphabet that we are writing. So you have to see here first opening and closing square bracket means what it will be represent a set of characters. Like you have to see here example, it will be a theoretical part that is meta character. So you have to see here the square bracket. It will be considered as a set of character in Python in a regular expression. Okay. Next, here slash operation is there. It represents the special sequence. That is, we are using the slash n, slash r, or slash s. Like operation 2 means for slash n for new line, slash t for next line, like that. So we are using the slash is a special sequence character. It will be like a provide the formatting to our program. Okay, then next dot operation. So dot operation means what it will be a present at the some specific place, like at the time of saving the program we are giving the extension that is a dot py extension, or suppose you are writing the C program, that time you have to we are giving the dot C plus plus extension, like that. Means what, this dot operation we are using at the special or specific place. Okay, next is a symbol, like you have to see here exponent, we call it as a exponent. It represents the pattern present at the beginning of the string. Means what, if suppose in our string we are using this operation at start like this, so it will be considered as our string at the first location. Means what, at the beginning location. Next, a dollar symbol is there. Dollar symbol, it will be considered as the end of the string. Dollar symbol is considered as the end of string. Next will be a multiplication symbol. It represents the zero or more occurrences of a pattern in the string. Means what, you have to consider the example of like a repetition operation that we are seeing in the second chapter. In that we are writing like a two, the current string into 2. Means what, that string will be print twicely, like that. So it will be considered as a into operation, means more than one form of that string or that pattern. Plus operation is also a same, it will be one or more occurrences. Means what, plus operation we are using in the sometime in increment operation, like we are performing the for loop operation. In that we are increasing I plus plus, like that. At that time we are using this plus symbol. Then next is curly brackets. Okay, the curly bracket is also a specific specified number of occurrences of a pattern in the string. Just this all symbols are we are using in the our regular expression. In every program we are using these symbols, but in regular expression these symbols are having a different meaning. So if we are writing like this, you have to see here Java opening closing curly bracket मध्ये 2. तर तुम्ही इथं बघू शकता हे काय आहे, तरी फाइंड करणार की किती नंबर ऑफ त्याच्यात पॅटर्न प्रेझेंट आहेत, लाईक दॅट वी आर सीइंग द जस्ट एक्झाम्पल ऑफ अ फाइंड ऑल ऑपरेशन. Means it will be find how many time this how will be present in our string, like that. This operation will be return the output. Okay, next is a it like a pipelining operation, we call it as this symbol as a pipelining operator. It represent either this or that character is a present. Means what, it will be like a boolean operation. It will be give the true or false operation. If Java is present, then this point the point will be not present, and the point will be present that time Java word is not present, like that. And then the opening closing a simple circular bracket, it will be a capture the group. Means what, suppose we are at the time of writing string, it we are giving the this opening closing curly bracket, so it will be indicate that it will be the start of string and end of the string. Means what, group of information we can put in the opening and closing curly bracket. Okay, so this will be a meta characters. We are most of the time this all symbols used in our regular expression pattern. Okay, so all of you perform the split and sub operation. सगळ्यांनी करा स्प्लिट आणि सब ऑपरेशन, सेम आहे जसं फाइंड ऑल होतं.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Done, ma'am.
done. Okay. I will stop my sharing. You have to share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Share your screen.
Ma'am, can you allow me?
No, your screen is not visible.
Ma'am, I give permission to share.
Just a 1 minute. Okay. Now you have to share.
Hello, ma'am.
Ah, yes.
Can you see my screen?
No, your screen is not visible.
Ma'am, now?
No, your screen is not visible.
Okay, ma'am. I will WhatsApp you. Hello, ma'am. I will send on WhatsApp. Please check.
Okay. So, okay. So all of you see here my screen. Here I will perform the split operation. Split operations. Just you have to see here. You have to just change the word. So you have to see here at the here word that we have to provide to split. You have to see here. Nothing will be there at the place of how it will be print the comma symbol. You have to see here. Here how word is there, and then here how word is there, and here how word is there. So it will be the split operation. Means what? It will be the split the string that you have to pass the value at your program. Okay. So next sub operation. All of you perform the this sub operation. You have to perform this sub operation.
हेलो मैम। हेलो मैम।
Yes,
मैम ग्रुपवर शेअर केले.
just 1 minute. Okay. Mihir, you have to share your screen and explain the subprogram.
ओके मॅम. Hello ma'am, screen is visible.
Yes, Mihir, the screen is visible.
Ma'am, import array. A is equal to string today is holiday. Matches array sub. Holiday is replaced by lecture and
Okay.
print the matches.
Okay.
Now output will be today is lecture.
Okay. 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 Good, Mihir. So all of you understood the sub operation. Sub operation means what? Sub operation means what? Replace one or more matches in the string means what? We have to like a replace operation. Sub operation in regular expression means what? It will be replace the output. Any keyword like you have to take the how that will be replaced with the y or some operation. Okay. So all of you understood this sub operation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you understood this five operations of regular expression?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we will see the next. Okay, next will be the special sequence. Actually, this all will be the slash operation. That is a special operation symbols are there, contents are there, like we are using /n for new line, like that. So you have to see here /a operation. So it return a match if the specified character are present at the beginning of the string. Suppose if you have to write /a at the start of your string, that time it will be considered as a your string is beginning of string, like that. You have to see here. I write out A. You have to see here. Here I am at in my string I am writing /a once. It will be written double slash. Why? Because it will be considered as a your string at the beginning. /a in output, /a is printed. It will be considered as a your string at the beginning. Okay. /a operation means what? Your string at a beginning. And next you have to see here /b is there, small b is there. It specify a character are present at the beginning or it at end of the string. Suppose I am writing here slash small b is there. So you have to see the difference here. One code is generated here, that is x008, means what? We can't find that our string at the start or end. Small b is there, so it will be print the one of the here machine language code there, because he means they don't know our string at the beginning or end. Okay, so /b operation is there. Then capital B operation is there. It return a match if the specified character are present at the beginning of the string but not at the end. Means what? Suppose we are writing a capital B here. So you have to say this operation is same like a capital A operation. This operation is same like a capital A operation. Okay, next will be a /d. It return match if the string contains the digit. Means what? If our string is digit, then it will be return the matches. Means what? Suppose here I am writing D, small d. It will be return some output or not? It will be not written any output, because here this /d will be work with the digits only. You have to see here it return a match if the string contain a digit that is 0 to 9. Okay, suppose here I will replace so you have to see here it will be written same as it is string actually this operation, but d means for a digit. And we are using %d symbol in our program also. Next, capital D is same, but it returns the string doesn't contain the digit. Suppose here just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. It will be not working. /d, how are it? It is. And suppose here. So you have to see the output for capital D. It will what? It returns a match if the string doesn't contain the digit. Okay. So you have to see here, nothing will be there in the output. Okay. And suppose here I am writing this. So you have to see the output. That is, it will be display the next operation, that is find all operation. But if here I will write digit. So it will be, it will not return anything. Okay. So it will be a D. Then yes is content for a space character. Means what? It return a match if the string contain any void space in space character. Suppose here I am writing S. How it will be written matches. Just 1 minute. Actually, here slashes operation is not performed. Here slashes returns a match if the string content any void space. Reprint is okay. In next lecture I will tell about this operation, but because this operation will be not executing slash yes. Okay. Next, w, it returns matches if the string contain any word characters. Okay. Slash w, but in our string all are words. So this operation will be, we are not every time this means operation w operation we are not performing. Why? Because in our string we are containing string characters, alphabet, digits, small letter, capital letter. So this w operation means what? It will be return the word characters. Okay. And next, Z operation, it returns a match if the specified character are at the end of the string. If suppose we are writing here capital Z, just Z. Okay, so Z operation we are giving, suppose we are using two to 3 lines like string, like a triple quote. This also not works. Capital Z it returns the specified character at the end of the string. Okay. Okay, so can anyone perform the this operations, all operations? capital Z operation. Can anyone perform? Double slash. This one. Okay. Can anyone perform this operation? Slash capital Z. Perform. Perform this operation, that is a slash Z operation. Anyone? Anyone done? All of you try the slash Z operation. Okay, anyone completed /z operation /z pattern?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please share your screen. I will stop my sharing. You have to share your screen.
Is it visible?
No, your screen is not visible.
I have shared.
Now your start screen sharing म्हणून येते आता यायले just one. So all of you see here.
Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Ma'am, I have used /z and passing as an attribute, and as a work of z, it one minute,
Yes, you have to execute your program.
I have passing Raj, and it will come at the last of the whole stream.
Okay. So all of you see.
And
How
ma'am,
/z?
if I use a capital A, it will come at the first. Here.
Yes.
Here.
So all of you see the output. It will be a correct. You have to write something at the end of the string here. That match will be there. You have to do just that first program that I told you. You have to make changes in that only. Okay, good. So all of you same perform the all remaining operations and send on the WhatsApp group like capital S, so small b, D, S, W, all the operations. Okay. Perform all the operations. आलं? Okay, so all of you perform the remaining operations. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Years.
Okay, all of you complete with the programs.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
This is
so
previous screen, previous slide.
we will see the next point, that is one point is remaining from the regular expression, that is sets. Sets means what? Set, it indicate that the group of character given the inside the pair of a square brackets. Okay, means what? We are using the square bracket to represent the group of characters. Okay, so you have to see here some sets are there, that is ARN. ARN, it returns the match if the string contained any of the specific character in the state set. Which means what? Like a find all operation. In find all operation, we are doing that, we are finding some specific a word, that is, suppose in our program we are finding the how word, so that will be a specific character. Okay, then next capital small a to dash n means what? It return match if the string contained any of the character between a to n. Means what? Suppose we want to find the specific character or pattern in between some of the alphabet, that time we are using opening closing a square bracket. In that we are providing the like a range operation. A dash n means what? Our string contain the a character in between a to n. Okay, next exponent ARN means what? It return match if the string contain character expect AR and N. Means what? Expect AR and N. Suppose in our string we are providing ARN word only, so that time it will be not return the match, it will be not display anything. But other than this this word or this character, we are having other characters in our string, it will be return the output. Okay, next is a 0 to 1 to 3 means what? Return a matches if string contain any of the specific digit. These all are the examples of this operation that we are seeing before, that is a square sequential character, that is set of character operation. We are representing set of character with the different way, like these all are ways. Okay, like 0 to 9 digit, then we are providing here range, like a string start with 0 to 5 location or 0 to 9 location, and capital A and small z. These all terms we are using related to many of the things, like at the time of suppose we are creating any login page or something. At that time, suppose we want to provide the strong password, that time we are telling that a password must be a small, capital, symbols, digit, like that. So this set concepts we are using at that time. Okay, so this set operation we are implementing at the GUI chapter. At that time we are using this concept, like at the time of setting password to any label or any buttons, like that. At that time we are using this all sets operation. Okay, okay, so this will be uh, this will be complete with this all operation. I will already told you that find all and match operation at start. Okay, so this will be today we will complete with the only one point, that is a regular expression. So we are working with the regular expression string with the different operation, that is match, search, find all, split and sub operations. And we are representing our string with the different characters. In that we are using some of the our alphabets to represent that, beginning, end, start, like that. And this will be a set operation that we will see in the a GUI chapter. Okay, so all of you understood the regular expression
Yes, ma'am.
operation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so any doubt is there regarding regular expression? Any doubt is there? Okay, Okay, so all may leave the meeting.